You guys asked me a lot of questions, so I'm going to, over time, answer them for you. One of them was quite a good question about what are the tax implications for flipping when you've got a good deal. So you're going to make good money. Congratulations, I salute you, especially if you flipped quite a few deals in the year. All right, now, first, I'm going to say I can't give you a formal financial advice. I can just tell you my knowledge as a property investor. With your own financial situation, go to your accountant because they're always going to know your personal situation. Oh, look, I'm waiting for my friend Laia. You might be able to see she's out paddleboarding, and then we're going to go to brunch. So in the meantime, let's talk about how you pay tax, but how you make sure your tax is only appropriate for you. So typically your accountant is going to say to you on the first property that you flip every year, they're going to probably suggest that you flip it in your personal name. So that means you own it in your personal name, you flip it in your personal name, and then you declare the profit in your personal name. And why are they going to do that? Well, they're going to do that because of a thing called capital gains allowance, which you may or may not have heard of. And at the time of recording, the capital gains allowance is £12,300 tax free. That's pretty nice. So that means that the first £12,300 profit that you make doesn't get taxed by the government every year in capital gains allowance. So you flip a deal, first 12,300 doesn't count towards any tax, and then the additional profit beyond that counts towards your tax. And obviously it'll depend whether you're a basic rate taxpayer or a high rate taxpayer, etc., on what your accountant might suggest that you do next. However, your accountant will then very typically say, look, if you're going to run a flipping strategy and you're going to do multiple deals in a year, then after you've done your first one, to get that really juicy £12,300 free capital gains tax allowance, we would strongly suggest that you flip in a limited company. And the reason for that is the taxation is cheaper in a limited company. And that's generally the advice. Now, obviously, you need to talk to your accountant, make sure they're a property specialist. If not, you need to probably upgrade your accountant. And this then shows you that you need to plan things in advance, doesn't it? You're not going to be like, oh, I suddenly find myself flipping and I've not thought about the tax implications, because you'll end up paying a lot more tax than you actually need to if you haven't put the property in the right structure in the first place. So don't be that person, pay tax, absolutely, fund schools and hospitals, but pay the amount of tax that's appropriate and fair for you while you're making money flipping. So that's the general advice, and good luck to you, I'd say. So subscribe. If you want to put a comment, please pop a comment in. And if you subscribe, then what it means is all these cracking videos are going to get sent to you straight away. So you're going to get notification of all the good property advice to help you in property. And the other thing that would be super useful for you is jump over to my website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. That's thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. I have put so much really good quality education on there for you guys. Downloadable, everything, academies, cheat sheets, the 101 lessons. You got masterclasses and free webinars over there as well. So have a good look, and good luck to you in your flipping strategy. Flipping is an amazing way to make money in property. It's a brilliant, creative, fun, relatively fast. I tend to flip roughly every sort of 5 3/4, 6 months for you to make seriously large lumps of sum in property, but obviously get the tax right. Good luck. Costings for a buy to sell. Get it wrong, lose money. Get it right, make a shed load. Free checklist. Go grab it now. Click on the link, download it.